Introduction. The readability of web content is crucial in web design and development. Readability is largely influenced by font color. Cascading Style Sheets (CSS) is used to set the font color in web design. Understanding CSS color properties. Color property in CSS is used to set the color of the text. Various formats can be used to specify the color, such as name, hex, RGB, RGBA, HSL, and HSLA. Example code provided to illustrate how to set the color of paragraph text to red using CSS. Font color and accessibility. Choose a font color that is easily readable against the background color to ensure accessibility. High contrast color combinations are recommended. Changing font color using inline CSS. Inline CSS can change the font color of a particular element directly within the HTML tag. This method is not the most efficient for larger websites. Example code provided to demonstrate how to use inline CSS to change font color. Changing font color using internal CSS. Internal CSS is used to define styles within the head section of the HTML document. This method is useful when applying style to one specific HTML document. Example code provided to demonstrate how to use internal CSS to change font color. Changing font color using external CSS. External CSS is the most efficient method for larger websites. This method involves creating a separate CSS file and linking it to the HTML document. Example code provided to demonstrate how to use external CSS to change font color. Tips and tricks. Not all color names may be supported by some browsers. Hex, RGB, or HSL values are safer to use. CSS classes can be used to avoid repeating styles for the same font color. Use developer tools in your browser to experiment with font colors in real time. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. The property for setting the font color is color, not font color. Always ensure that the font color contrasts well with the background for better readability. Be careful with color values. Hex colors, for instance, require a ## followed by 6 characters. Conclusion. Mastering the use of font color in CSS is critical for creating visually appealing and accessible websites. Effective use of color can enhance the user experience.